Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equator. In this video we are going to use this TI-30XS scientific calculator to learn how to work with logarithm and natural logarithm or ln. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's do logarithmic and exponential functions. Logarithmic and exponential functions. If it's log of 45, we have a log button, press all clear, log 45, and if you have some other operation, close it and continue with something else. If there is nothing, you can just press enter without even closing, it will work fine. Remember, when we do log log of 45, this is actually base 10. We don't write it because 10 is by default. We assume that base 10 when it's empty. So this is the same as log base 10 of 45. And this calculator, unfortunately, cannot do log base 5 or log base something else. So get the other model, which is better than this. And if you want to do natural logarithm or ln, logarithm natural, so press ln 5, and then if you want to multiply it by 2, let's say like that, close it and 2. We don't even need to put a multiplication because it works fine. Let's try it and to show you. Log of 5 close times 2, the answer is the same. If you need exponential, 10 to the power 5, so we have some value which has a base 10 in that case, second function, and then this base 10 to the power 5, so it's automatically. Now 2 decimal places shown. The reason for that is from previous calculation we forgot to change it. Go to mode and you see 2 decimal place. Let's go to come down and then let's go back to, so in this case come down to float and enter. 2 is moved, clear, and if I do this again, it's shown without a decimal place. 10 to the power 2, 10 we can do squared, or 10 to the power 2. Both of these are exactly the same. Now if you want to do, let's say 17 to the power log of 15, here is what you do. 17 to the power, now you are allowed to do log of 5 and then equal without even closing, it will work. But if you have some other operation, you must close it. Now let's see if you're in classic mode. Press this button, mode, come down to classic, enter. Math parent has been moved, clear. Now let's do the same thing. 17 to the power, it became like that. So you must open a parenthesis and then say log 5, close the log and close. So this is for this closing and that closing is for the top, and we get the answer. So let's go back to mode, come back and select it to math parent. If you want Euler number to some power, we have a dedicated key for that. Second function e, that's Euler number to the power 11. That is our value. If you just need Euler number, so second function e and then put to the power 1, that's the actual Euler number. Thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for this TI-30XS scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also if you have comment or question, post it below the video. Share the video, I appreciate it. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.